Students, before I start today's topic, tell me, what is this? Yes, you're right. This is mango. You all like mango? Yes, you all like mango. Now, what is inside the mango? Can anyone tell? Yes. If we cut the mango, we see a seed inside. So our topic for today is seed. Magic seed. So students, let's start English Balbharti Standard 1 poem Magic Seed. Magic Seed. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. In the first stanza, the poet says that once he found a tiny seed, so he thought of planting the seed. Now the next line, almost at once it started to grow up tall and white. Now the poet says, after some time, that is after few days, the tiny little seed started to sprout. It started to grow and it grew tall and wide as you can see in the picture. Now the second stanza, first line. It sprouted leaves from everywhere. The little seed started to grow and there were leaves everywhere. Now the next line, and soon became quite big. Now the next two lines, I am not sure what it is yet. Apples, peach or figs. Now the poet was confused because he didn't knew about what exactly the plant was of. So he says, I am not sure. Maybe it is of apple, peaks or figs. But the poet was extremely happy to see the seed sprouting and growing. Now let us read the last stanza of the poem. No matters how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. Now the poet was not aware of what the tree was it. He was happy to see it growing. So the poet says, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. That is the plant or tree that was going to be special part as he had planted it. Okay. So the poet says that the plant or the tree that was growing was going to be special to the poet. So I hope you all enjoyed the poem. Okay. Okay, then let's read the poem once again. And please read behind me. Magic seed. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and white. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. I am not sure what it is yet, apples, peaks or figs. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. Thank you.